Why GoHighLevel replace my CRM, funnel builder, and email tools all in one demo for network marketer. Doing network marketing the old school way is exhausting. Chasing prospect, manually following up, replying late at night. I used to do all that. But ever since I switched to GoHighLevel, my business run on autopilot. I close lead follow-up automatically and build my team without burning out. Hi, I'm Religious and I help network marketers build smarter systems to recruit, follow up, and scale without spamming, begging, or chasing. Today, I will show you how GoHighLevel replaced my marketing tools and gave me a complete recruitment and follow-up machine in one dashboard. The pain of old school network marketing struggles. You are tired of copy-pasting the same messages. Prospects keep ghosting after showing interest. You don't know who you follow up with last week. Your team struggle to duplicate your process. You are paying for tools that don't talk to each other. Now I'm going to show you what GoHighLevel replaced for network marketer. Okay, if you are still using the Google Sheet, this contact replace it. You can tag the contact with the tag. Okay, so and then this calendar replace calendar. Your audience can book Zoom call with you. Okay, and then you can send the email here. You can broadcast email to your audience here. Email. Okay, you can broadcast to your audience from here. Okay, one software include everything, and then automation. When your leads come in, okay, you can send the email, WhatsApp, SMS at the same time on autopilot. Okay, with these features, with this workflow, see, okay, you can send WhatsApp, SMS, email from here. Okay, this system also built in the pipeline CRM tools. Okay, for you to follow up efficiently from here. Yes, from here opportunity. Okay, this is a pipeline, so you can follow up your audience efficiently. Okay, you can even add notes to this audience. Okay, let me show you the real example how I use one page landing page plus automation to capture it. Okay, this is my landing page. So here's a button. When a person click this button, they will enter their name, email, and then WhatsApp number is optional. So if they enter, I will receive the notification immediately. Okay, see. Okay, so once they enter their detail, they will go to next page. Okay, here you can sell your product or recruit anything. See, you see the notification straight away pop up here. Okay, then the person will receive my WhatsApp automatically and also email. They will receive the WhatsApp and email to remind them to watch this video. Okay, and also you can let them to book a Zoom call with you on autopilot. This funnel helped me recruit $6 last month while I focus on mentoring my core team. Okay, so it's very, very powerful, this GoHighLevel system. Let's look at the tools cost comparison. If you are using other software, okay, for example, landing page builder, you are paying $97 per month. You're using other email software or SMS software, $49 per month. You use booking app, $15 per month. CRM, $99 per month. Automation tools, $30 per month. So all this app out is $290 per month. So in GoHighLevel, with just $97, you get all of this. Okay, so you save over $290 per month plus fewer headache. Okay, so GoHighLevel include everything you need to build your business. I put together a free funnel system just for network marketer. It includes prospect capture page, automated email WhatsApp follow-up, swipe file, team duplication system, and Zoom booking flow. Okay, you can try this GoHighLevel for 14 days free trial. Okay, you can click the link in the description to get started now. So ready to stop chasing and start attracting? Click the link below to get my free funnel plus 14 days GoHighLevel trial. Don't just hustle harder, build smarter.